Very good morning. This is Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay, successfully entered a steam studio and like to perform the activity, the stretch and non-stretch membrane of a balloon, air-filled balloon. Okay. So I'm going to the, without talking too much, I'm going to the exhibit the experiment. Where the non-stretch membrane, non-stretching is there. In that case, we can prick this needle here. No question of blast. In the non-stretch portion, I in front of you, I can yes, I can pick it without going to blast. I go there and pick the bell. I pick it. Yes, I pick it here. I pick it here in front of you. The needle is picked. No question of blast. Okay, but this is not possible when I pick it here. One, two, three, start. It will be blast. Thank you very much. Uh, Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay successfully exhibit stage and non-stage membrane have a difference. Jai Hind.